Good morning, everyone. And today I will show you how to transfer Okta Verify to new phone. First, you want to go and click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, you will see here this menu. Click on Next. Then you want to go and click on Add Account. Then you want to go and click on Organization. After Organization, click on Add Account from another device. Then you want to go and click on Allow and allow the Bluetooth. Click on Allow again. And after that, you can choose between scan the QR code or enter code manually. You have both options available. Now, there is a small note that you should know. If you no longer have access to your phone, reach out to your organization's IT. It will help desk to reset your Okta Verify enrollment. And this is necessary because Okta Verify is tied to your specific device, and without access to the old device, you cannot transfer the account directly. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.